Stop scrolling. Let me show you something genius. This isn't just a hole in the ground. It's called a cenote, and it's one of nature's smartest inventions. Hidden deep in Mexico, cenotes are natural wells connected to underground rivers. But here's the smart part. These formations act like massive water filters. No pipes, no machines. Just pure, clean water flowing through limestone for thousands of years. The ancient Maya used cenotes not just for drinking, but for survival, rituals, and even astronomy. They didn't waste energy creating artificial systems. They trusted what nature already perfected. In a world obsessed with over-engineering, sometimes the smartest solution is already beneath your feet. This is the smart approach. Look deeper. Think simpler. Learn from what's been working for thousands of years. Follow for more smart perspectives from nature, life, and beyond.